Hey everybody, Justin Senior here. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to build a huge drop ship business with Ship to the Moon. We're going to jump right into it. You see the link below. I'm going to talk more about Ship to the Moon in a second. And this is really all about choosing the right drop shipping partner and how to do it the right way. There are lots and lots of drop ship partners out there, really too many to even list. And these are very important parts of your business. They are true partners in your business. They're going to handle everything from sourcing products, right? You need to find winning products and get them sourced there. You need warehousing. You need shipping. You need branding. You need support. There's so many important things that your dropship partner will do. And of course, you need real customer service. You need personalized one-on-one customer service and incredible prices to really build the massive dropshipping business that you're dreaming of. And a popular strategy right now is to work with Ship to the Moon and use their services to help you build that massive dropshipping business that you've been working so hard to build. And you already know that there are some pain points when it comes to dropshipping on Shopify. First of all, you need to find your own dropshipping partner. There's no built-in way to do this with Shopify. So picking the right partner, I should say, is so important. And you need to find someone who can find great products and then handle everything from branding to delivery. And most importantly, you need the best pricing for maximum profits with great one-on-one customer service with real people, real support team available at any time for you. And that's why you're going to want to use Ship to the Moon. This is what I highly recommend. You see the link directly below this video. I'm going to go over the shoulder. I'm going to show you exactly how to use Ship to the Moon. Super easy platform. But if you want really, really great pricing to give you great profit margins, if you want to have great customer service, if you want product photography, print on demand, custom packaging, right? And of course, all of the drop shipping services you need, sourcing winning products, warehousing, branding, quality check, shipping, of course, all that, you're going to get that with Ship to the Moon. And I'll show you more about them. You can see the link directly below this video over here, Ship to the Moon. And they provide the drop shipping service that's going to allow you to build a true global e-commerce brand. And so many different platforms. Of course, they integrate with Shopify, BigCommerce, ClickFunnels, WooCommerce, Volusion. You see some really big names. Work with Ship to the Moon. And this is a really, really great way to increase your profit margins, to save money, to save time. It's all automated. You can even do your own custom branding. This is really something that's going to make you stand out from that traditional drop shipper. You can learn more about all the different drop shipping kind of features here. Of course, sourcing, right? Finding the right supplier, sourcing the product, warehousing it, quality checking, making sure it's good, and of course, shipping it and branding it to get it in front of your customer. They do more than just drop shipping too. Product photography, so really great. Get your product photos professionally done with them. They can do print on demand, as you saw that customization. They could buy the stock and warehouse it for you, and of course, everything with packaging. And all you need to do is come over here. You could reach them on WhatsApp pretty much 24/7. It seems like they're always available. Just come over here, click sign in. This is going to allow you to sign up right over here. Sign up for an account. Really powerful. Going to get you in here. Of course, free account to sign up. And once you're in, over the shoulder, I'll show you exactly what you're going to be doing. And you're going to be able to connect to different platforms, but of course, we're going to go with Shopify. So you're going to come over here, click the Shopify button. This is going to now load us into our Shopify store, where we're going to go and enter in our .myshopify.com URL. So I've gone ahead and done that. It's now asking to give permission to install Ship to the Moon inside of my Shopify store. I'm going to do that right now. Going ahead and press install. This is going to simply just connect my account into my Shopify store. And the real big part about this, of course, is that we have everything connected in terms of products and the ability to now connect Ship to the Moon to Shopify for automation. We're now being loaded right into our dashboard over here, and we've already connected our store, so very, very powerful here in terms of our Shopify connection. Very quick, very easy, and again, you do all this from the link directly below this video once you sign up. So now that we're over here, you see our dashboard, and of course this is a brand new account, so you're not going to see any stats here right now, but you will eventually see your account balance, your commissions, your paid orders, support tickets, and any notifications, and of course, most importantly, your sales, right? What are you selling? How much are you selling over here with Ship to the Moon? Now, a lot of easy ways to kind of go about getting started over here. You can go into the product section. You'll be able to have and source all your products, and then they'll be loaded here into the My Products section, where you'll have a list of all the different products that you'll be publishing and obviously selling in your store. Inventory is going to allow you to actually manage all of the inventory. You can go ahead and reach out and ask for inventory as well in terms of reaching out to Ship to the Moon. And I always recommend reaching their support, especially if you want to kind of have good ideas in terms of where to find product, who to source from, what's selling really well. They have a great support team. Coming over here on order, we want to go to order fulfillment. Auto fulfillment over here, not order, auto fulfillment. We're going to turn this on. This is going to allow us to automatically fulfill. This is the time where they're going to prompt us to now connect a wallet or credit card over here. This is so we're going to be able to pay for our orders automatically, right? We could have this off if we just want to have manual fulfillment over here. We can go ahead and select multiple orders as they come in and batch pay them, basically pay for them. But I highly recommend going auto fulfillment. It's just going to make your life a lot easier. Here's finance, where you're going to manage your cards and your wallet and all that stuff, topping up your wallet in terms of having all the different abilities to place those orders, right? So when orders come in from your customers, they'll pay you. Then inside of the finance section, this will be what pays for the actual products in here. Here's our connection to the store. We already have this over here. If you needed to delete it or if you wanted to turn it off, you can simply just toggle this right over here. You've got our support tickets system over here. Great support, available at all times. They're also on WhatsApp. You have an affiliate setup built in, and more info on your accounts. So really, you're going to be spending most of your time inside the order and just kind of managing your products. And of course, it's going to depend on what products you source and what suppliers you're going to work with, what niche you're going to be in. But in any case, Ship to the Moon is going to have it all taken care of for you. And they do a great job of also kind of curating some really popular products, some categories of products, so you can go ahead and find winners very easily, even without doing any research. They'll help you out and show you some of these featured products, currently trending pet products, right? And again, just a click away with support to help you or to help them give you even more help over here. And as we see down here, these are some of those extra services, like getting our photography done for our products. You just go ahead and follow these prompts. So a very powerful platform. This is why I use Ship to the Moon. You see the link directly below this video. I highly recommend you get started with them right now. Going to be a great dropship partner for you, and I hope this helps you make a lot of money.